From the French doors, where the fireplace is, you gotta add 2 outlets in this wall. And obviously repair sheetrock and base. Change the door in basement. Base, door in the bathroom, double doors. This is where the French door was. This is the other part. Change this column in here. Change this door. That's a utility room. No utility, that's a sump pump room. In this area in here, there's a column on both sides. Turn this into a pocket door. Supply the material. And stay. Add the light switch in here, separate from the other area, and the closet room.